Tired of wrestling with stubborn bolts? What if you could bring 800 Newton meters of torque to the job in one hand? Meet the AOBEN AB7337B cordless impact wrench. In this video, I'm breaking down its features, testing its power, and telling you if this budget-friendly beast is worth it. First, look and build. Right out of the box, the AOBEN impact wrench feels surprisingly solid. It's compact, balanced in the hand, and even comes with a bright LED light, perfect for tight or dark spaces. And get this, it comes as a full kit including 6 sockets, a 4 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, fast charger, and a carrying bag. Power and performance. Now let's talk about performance. This thing is no joke. The brushless motor delivers up to 450 foot-pounds of max tightening torque, 800 Newton-meter in reverse, and a peak speed of 2,400 RPM with 3,500 impacts per minute. From removing lug nuts to tackling mower blades and large bolts, it eats through tough jobs effortlessly. Plus, the 2-speed control gives you precision when you need it and power when you demand it. Battery and efficiency. AOBEN includes a 4 ampere-hour battery, which gives you several hours of runtime. And with the fast charger, you're back to full in just 2 hours. The built-in battery level indicator is a nice touch, so you're never caught off guard mid-job. Features: 450 foot-pounds of max torque, 800 Newton-meter breakaway in reverse, brushless motor with 2-speed control, 4 ampere-hour battery with fast charger, brake stop function, full kit, sockets, bag, and more. Pros: great torque for the price, full kit included, brushless efficiency, long battery life, fast charger, and useful features. Cons: it's a bit louder than premium brands, and the case could be sturdier, but those are minor. So, is the AOBEN AB7337B worth it? If you want serious power, a full kit, and great value without breaking the bank, this one's a no-brainer. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on tool reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you put this in your toolbox?